What's going on, guys? James here. I just wanted to put together a video talking about the Canon 35mm 1.4 lens. This is the L series lens, and I'm going to be using it with a Canon 80D. We actually rented this one from Michael at WeLendLenses.com. So if you're in the greater Grand Rapids area and you're looking to try out some new lenses before buying, I highly recommend checking them out. I'm going to be shooting some video and photos with this over the next few days, and I will post all those samples here in the video. You guys let me know what you think. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed all the sample footage and the photos that I took with the Canon 35mm 1.4 L series lens. If you have any other questions about it, feel free to shoot them below in the comment section and I will answer them as best as I can. Thanks.